Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Glory here. And today's video is going to be all about my eyebrows and how I'm going to attempt to tame them because of
coronavirus.
So this is another episode of Quarantine Made Me Do It because I really can't go get my eyebrows done. I'm getting really tired of looking at them and how hairy and gross they look. So I'm going to attempt to fix them today. And I'm going to record myself for your viewing pleasure. Hope you guys enjoy. Everybody else, when I'm not really sure, what to do in terms of what products to use or something, I just YouTube it, and in my research, this product came up a little bit, so I decided to give it a try. I went to my Walmart and I got these two products right here. So I initially went in for this product right here, which is the Sally Hansen Hair Removal Cream for the face. It's a brush-on hair remover cream. Now, the issue with this one is that I totally forgot to do a patch test. So, normally you have to put it in the inside of your arm, or I think something like that, and you see how your skin reacts to it. So in case, if it reacts badly when you do the patch test, abort. You don't go on to use it because obviously you might put on your eyebrows might fall off and walk away from you. So you don't use it. Go figure. I bought it yesterday. I literally ran to Walmart, bought it yesterday. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna come home to the patch test. Came home, slept, forgot all about it. And then now it's time for me to film and I never did the patch test. I can't use this one. I'll pass. So this is gonna be a no. I'm going to use this one instead. This one is the Sally Hansen Stripless Wax for face and small areas. It's a microwavable eyebrow, face, and lip wax kit. Looks like this. And it says the results may last up to 8 weeks. Okay, listen here, kids. I'm scared of this one. This can either go very well or it can go horribly wrong. I'm praying that it goes well, obviously. But I mean, if worse comes to worse and I do mess up really badly, and let's say I wax off half my eyebrows, it's okay because I can just draw them in until they come back. I'm just more worried about the wax and it being too hot and me burning myself. But they kind of made this foolproof where the spatula you use, if it says the word redding on it, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna open up for you guys. The spatula you use says the word redding on it, and if you dip it into this wax and you don't see the words ready, that means it's too hot, my dear. The things inside the kit, it comes with this, of course, the wax, which looks like this. Of course, it's hard right now. I have to warm it up. It comes with a little stir stick thing. It comes with some stencils in case you need help with the shape of the brow. I don't know if this is coming up on camera. I don't think it is, but it comes with that. Of course, it has a thick ass instructions because that's a must. And then it also has an extra soothe aftercare lotion, which it says is topical analgesic. I guess to probably, soothe the area once you've done waxing it off. And then here's a spatula I was just talking about. So the spatula, right there on the tip of it says ready. And if you don't see the words ready when you are staring inside the little pot of wax, that means it's too hot. So I already went through and read all the directions and everything, which, by the way, this is not the kind of thing that you want to skip the directions and be like, you know what, I'm just gonna wing it. No, this is not something you want to do that, because if you want to have no eyebrows, if you want to be out here looking at Whoopi Goldberg, no offense to her, love her, but if you want to have no eyebrows, then just go ahead and just grab it and do whatever you want. I read the directions thoroughly. It said to use this wax, the wax pot, heat it up for 90 seconds, no more than 2 minutes. It should never be boiling or anything like that. And then you let it cool a little bit. You stir it. You use the spatula that they gave you in the kit. And like I mentioned before, if the spatula says ready, then it's ready. So you want to put the wax on in the direction in which the hair grows. What else did they say in that little blurb I was reading? What else did they say? yeah, put the wax on in the direction the hair grows. And oh yeah, they want you to cleanse your eyebrows before you actually, what's it called, wax. So I'm gonna use my Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel to cleanse my eyebrows. I'm not gonna use the stencil, what's it called, the eyebrow stencil that it came with, this one right here. I'm not gonna use that. I'm going to draw and outline the shape that I want with my eyebrow product, and then I'm just gonna use that as a stencil. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling and we're just gonna dive right into this video. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer because I want to show you my eyebrows. And then now I'm going to fill them in. So I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Now, okay, I know they look really, really dark, but that's just because I just want to, I'm overdrawing them just to make sure that I know where not to put the wax, okay? That's why they're overdrawn. Okay, so I'm back with the wax. It looks a little bit like, I don't want to spill it. Do you see that? Okay. And just so you guys know, they lied. It did not take 90 seconds to warm this thing up. I warmed it up for like almost 4 minutes. It was rock solid hard. So I just dipped the spatula in here and the writing on it that says ready disappeared, which means it's not ready, which means it's too hot. So I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit. Okay, so I think the wax is ready now. I'm just gonna do a little patch. Guys. Woo. Oh my gosh. I don't think any hair came off. Try it again. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh God. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay, I don't think, oh my God. It's just, it's it's not really, it's not really coming off. It's just sticking to my hairs and it's getting stuck in the hairs. And look, it's not coming off. So I'm not gonna use this anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna try another patch. Okay, let's see. I'm starting to sweat, guys, because I'm getting nervous. I'm starting to sweat. Okay, just hold the skin taut. I don't know, I just, oh crap. Do you guys see that? It's like not really getting all the hairs. Okay. Okay, so abort. This wax thing, no, I don't like the way it's working out. It's not really grabbing the hairs. It's just I have a whole bunch of wax stuck in my eyebrows now, and I gotta figure out how to get it off. So I'm going to move on to plan B. This guy? Oh my god. This one. Now I know I talked hella crap in the beginning about how you shouldn't use this until you do a patch test. I'm gonna use it anyways, and I'm gonna pray that nothing bad happens. Okay. Just to leave on for 3 minutes. It says to leave on for 3 minutes. It's a built-in brush. See that? It's a built-in brush, but I'm not gonna use this big old thing for my eyebrows. I'm gonna use one of my eyebrow brushes to actually put it on. You leave it on for 3 minutes, and then you brush it off. So maybe this would be easier for me to use. This is what I initially wanted to use anyways. I knew the wax thing was not a good idea. You know when you know yourself and you're like, you know what? I know myself, but I know I can't wax my own eyebrows. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But let me try this one. Let me bring you guys closer. Oh my god. Pray for me, guys. I'm not even gonna put some on the top. You know what? Because why destroy 2 places, right? I'm just gonna put it on the bottom and that's it. That's it. No more. Okay, so I'm gonna wait the 3 minutes. It's 1:18 currently, so in 3 minutes I'll wipe it off. I'm really praying that I don't have an allergic or sensitive reaction to it. What am I gonna do to fix this side? Ha! Naja. No trouble. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. I'm just going to wipe it off now. It says to wipe it off with a damp, wet cloth. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, it feels fine. It's not burning. It's not tingling. It's not doing anything. So I'm praying that it's going to be fine when I wipe it off.
Bruh.
It didn't work. Oh my god, it didn't even work. Oh. Okay, this was a fail. This was an utter complete fail. It didn't even work. Oh my gosh, should I put it on for longer? I said 3 minutes. I did 3 minutes. Nothing even happened. All right, let me try to get this wax off. Oh my God. You know, on the white tea videos, all you girls do it so easy. What the heck? I'm gonna try to maybe pluck them and come back and see how it looks. Okay, so I wanted to come back on here and just show you guys how my eyebrows are looking now after I plucked them myself, because obviously that whole waxing situation did not go the way I wanted to go, and it was a complete and utter fail. So I ended up just waxing it off camera, and I ended up plucking them off camera, and this is how it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks after I fill them in. Okay, so this is how it looks after I filled in my eyebrows. I just filled them in really quickly. Okay, so I put on some of that soothing lotion. I'm not gonna lie, they're burning, guys. My eyebrows are burning. Especially this one that had the chemical one on it. Oh my God. This brush on one, it's really burning. So I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm gonna pray for the best. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Fail. This was a complete and utter fail. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. I'm not gonna lie to you, I will probably never, ever attempt to do my eyebrows again. Like, no. This was a fail. I will never do it again. But, you know, I can make other types of videos. Just the eyebrow ones. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.